Frank from Olympic Enterprises here today with the Prime TV stick or Fire Stick remote. So it's a little bit smaller and different options than the one for the Samsung Smart TV. Put mine off to the side. This one here is even easier. You just slide. I mean, I could even do it one-handed with hardly any pressure. So the batteries are going to go in. It shows you on the back, and you may look at this and get confused, but it's just like the spring in all other battery compartments. It's just the way Amazon does it. There's a spring underneath there, so pop it in, pop it in, make sure they're going in the right direction. Put this back on. So if this is a brand new remote, you broke your old one or something, if you want to repair it, I believe it's holding the home button here down for like 3 seconds or 10 seconds or something like that, and then it'll be repaired. But if you're just replacing the batteries, you're not going to have to, I mean, that's it. That's all you have to do. So hopefully that helps somebody or clarify something. Thanks for watching.